Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video I want to take a look at the GoPro Media Mod for the GoPro Hero 9 or 10. I've been using the GoPro Hero Media Mod now, or the GoPro Media Mod, good length of time, so maybe a year and a half, and it's an accessory you can buy and it just clips onto your GoPro and you can do all sorts of different things with it, and I want to take you through those things in this video so you can decide whether it's for you and whether it's worth getting one and having this as an upgrade on your camera. So if we take a look at the Media Mod to start with, it's basically just a plastic case, fairly sturdy. It's got like a door that flips open so you can put your GoPro in. We have a microphone, like a mini shotgun microphone with a dead cat on there. The foam cover over the microphone is good as well when you're shooting in windy environments like I do in mountain biking or any action sport. It just gets rid of that wind noise that you'd usually get on a GoPro microphone, so that's a pretty cool addition. We've also got a horseshoe mount on the top here, so whether you want to put another accessory on the top that GoPro sells, like a light or a screen, or even something else like a Rode video mic or something like that, like a wireless mic, you can do that. So we'll go ahead now and we'll mount the camera inside of the mod. I'm just going to show you on my GoPro Hero 9 here. First of all, we need to take this door off. This is the door that comes on your camera. We need to just unclip it, and then we basically want to slide the GoPro into the mod. It only goes in one way and it needs to locate on this little male-female adapter in here. So we push it in, lock it shut as a nice click, and there we go. This is the camera inside the mod. You can see it's a little bit bigger than usual. It's fairly chunky, just to give you like a size comparison. It's quite a bit bigger than the camera on its own. If we turn it on, you'll notice as well that the GoPro will automatically connect to the mod, so you don't have to do anything. We've got a nice little sound bar at the bottom so you can play around with your audio levels and make sure they're all good for wherever you're shooting. And that's it. That's my little setup there, you can see. You can still flip out the feet on these. I always find that once you've got the Media Mod on, you need to use something to grab hold of these little feet, otherwise it's quite difficult to get them out. You can use them as normal, put a mount on there or a mount to a chest harness or whatever. So what we'll do now is we're going to go and do some audio tests with this. So we're going to do some audio tests inside and outside, with and without the microphone, so you can hear the difference in sound. So we're filming inside now on the GoPro Hero 9. This is an audio test. I don't have a microphone on at the minute. This is just the audio coming out of the camera. This is an audio test and the audio is coming directly out of the microphone from the mod. So we're just outside. This is the audio coming out of the GoPro with the Media Mod on. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear, there's an alarm going off. Yeah, this is the audio coming out of the microphone on the mod. And then this is the audio coming out of the camera's microphone. So there's no mod on now, and we're outside, just walking around. There's no traffic or anything, and this is what it sounds like. So the question now is, should you buy one? My answer comes down to what you want to be using the GoPro for. If you're doing a lot of vlogging, talking to the cameras, making videos where there's a lot of like talking involved and stuff like that, I would probably recommend getting one just because of the versatility of this thing. I mean, obviously we've got a better microphone, I would say. We've got this shotgun cover on there as well, so, or this dead cat cover should I say, so you're going to be able to block out a lot of the wind noise and unwanted sound that you don't have when you're just using the audio that's coming out of the camera. I always think audio is a really key part of making good videos. And you've also got the horseshoe adapter on top of here as well, which you can, if you want, attach all sorts of different things to. This is just an extra on there. So this is a Rode wireless microphone you can get if you wanted to upgrade your audio even more, or you could actually add some more of GoPro's accessories to the top of your camera as well, which I'll put a link in the description to anything I'm talking about. But you can get a light for the top of here. You can actually get a fold out screen, I think, so if you want to do more vloggy style videos, that's like perfect for you. And there's probably all sorts of other stuff. There's a mount on the side as well here as well, so there's all sorts you can do with this. However, it is a lot bigger than with just the camera, so it depends what you're shooting or what you're using your camera for. Another thing I've noticed as well, they've got a chest harness here. I do a lot of mountain biking, obviously. Obviously, when we've got the Media Mod on the camera and then the GoPro on here or attached to our helmet, it can get a bit cumbersome. And it's quite heavy as it is. Like the Hero 9, Hero 10, they're just heavier cameras than they used to be. So that's probably something to take into consideration. Depending on what you want to use your camera for, will determine whether the Media Mod is for you. I hope that you found this video useful and it made your buying decision a lot easier if you're looking at getting a Media Mod. Links will be in the description below if you want to go and grab one. And if this video did help you out, consider giving it a like or a thumbs up. It helps spread the video to more and more people, which would help the channel out a lot. Comment below any questions you have on GoPros, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, see you in a bit.